Good evening time, everybody. We've got Donkey Stomper 600HD HG-8Pill. It's older build. One I built a couple years back, a year and a half or something. Anyway, what we've done is we've repilled it and we made it 8-pill. So anyway, let's start out looking at our input tune radio drive. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. On nothing. Output tune radio drive. Worldwide, go down. Only days I'll fix that night. 1000 watt peak radio drive. Worldwide, worldwide, worldwide. 400 PP radio drive. Go over and turn our Texas Star on. Look at our output reflex. Worldwide, worldwide. Worldwide, worldwide, worldwide. I need a new mic, I need a new mic. 1000 watt average. Worldwide, worldwide. So she do about 600, 800 average. Get on down. Worldwide. Get on down. Worldwide. The deck is too high. Turn it back to 200 we're supposed to be. Worldwide. Get on down. 1000 watt peak, you know what's going to happen. Worldwide. Corner. 2500 watt PEP. 8-pill, donkey stomper, 8-pill, donkey stomper, 8-pill, 8-pill. 8-pill, donkey stomper, 8-pill, 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 going down, going down. Just about 1500. Worldwide, 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 going down. Turn the drive, I'm turning playing with the drive right now. Worldwide, 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 go down, worldwide. It's just like 1500 peak. It's real good, especially for a rebuild. Just like new. There she is. Donkey Stomper. 600 HG 6-pill made into an 800 HD HG 8-pill. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10-018 Beavis. Catch you later.